take you guys a little tour inside the shop. So far, I'm working on getting the paint booth in. I got a lot of duct work and a whole lot of little pieces of wall everywhere. But we got the first start, and Chevy found some pizza. So this is as far as we've gotten with the paint room. We'll step out of the paint room and go into a mixing room, which will be moved into its location. But then we'll have this mixing room here. Hopefully I'll get it all painted black to white. It's in pretty rough condition. Chevy's still enjoying some pizza. And got me a nice air handling unit. A lot of plumbing, fire suppression systems, a lot of electrical, whole lot of ducting. And anyway, this side over here will end up being a bathroom, with a full bathroom with a shower, shop sink on the outside, put an office in here, and then upstairs will be a kitchen, kind of a break room type area. And that's where we're at so far.